You know the drill. Endless, inspiring videos, ambitious goals, and then waiting. Waiting for that perfect surge of energy that was always fleeting. My biggest dream stayed stuck in the someday pile. But what if everything we've been told about achieving our goals is wrong? What if the secret isn't finding motivation, but forgetting about it entirely? I discovered a simple system that unlocked the consistency I was missing. This didn't just change things, it changed everything. For years, I was a motivation junkie, chasing an elusive surge of energy while my biggest dream stayed stuck in the someday pile. But what if our approach to goals is wrong? What if the secret isn't finding motivation, but forgetting it? I discovered a simple system that unlocked the consistency I needed, and it changed everything. 1. The problem with motivation. Let's be honest, relying on motivation is like catching smoke. It's a slippery, unpredictable emotion. It provides an initial spark, but it's not an engine you can count on. I fell into that trap, believing I couldn't get anything done without inspiration. This led to a cycle of procrastination and guilt. The more I chased that feeling, the further my goals slipped away. My aha moment was realizing the problem wasn't me, but my method. Motivation is a fleeting emotion. Systems and habits are the reliable building blocks of success. I understood the power of consistent actions. To achieve my goals, I had to stop chasing inspiration and build a reliable system. I broke my goals into small habits, building a system with 3 actions. Daily planning, 5 minutes each morning to set a clear direction. Habit stacking, linking a new habit to an old one, like doing 10 push-ups after I brush my teeth. Tracking progress, using a habit tracker to see my wins and build momentum. The results were transformative. I made consistent progress without the emotional roller coaster, becoming more productive and healthier. I started hitting goals that once felt impossible. I learned that habit-driven consistency is a stronger predictor of success than sporadic motivation. If you're done waiting for motivation, start building your system today. Comment below and share one tiny habit you can implement this week. Let's hold each other accountable. The takeaway is simple. Stop waiting for motivation to strike. Shift your focus to building a reliable system of habits. Success doesn't come from a magical feeling, it comes from consistent, deliberate action. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and share this with someone who needs to start building their own system. Let's stop waiting and start building together.